Hey, I want to talk to you about something super fun, Cleo,
All
that
right.
is happening in our weather department, and we are introducing what we're calling weather impact days. So let me talk you through what that is. Whenever we are expecting severe weather, or when we're expecting weather that you need to be paying close attention to, we will say it is a weather impact alert or a weather impact day. And this is what it would look like. We'll talk you through what the weather impact is. Remember, this is an example. We'll talk to you about when, what it is, and what you need to do. Maybe we'll see a graphic that looks like this. Again, if we're expecting something to happen, it's going to be in the shade of red. We'll talk you through when we're expecting it. We're talking about what the impact will be, and then what steps you need to take to stay aware. So again, it'll look different, and we will issue this as needed. Sometimes we'll show you a day planner like this. Maybe we're expecting something in the afternoon. It'll be highlighted in red, and you'll also see this icon, weather impact alert. So it's just another way for you to be paying attention and for you to stay tuned in with us when we need to alert you. If it's on the 14 day, for example, if it's something that's happening tomorrow, it's going to look like this. Most of the 14 day would look normal, and then you see a highlighted red day, a day that needs to be paid extra close attention to. Again, this is going to be called a weather impact day, and it's going to be declared by your WFAA weather team. Now let's get to our local forecast. Right now, beautiful day, blue skies overhead, temperature of 72 degrees, and we're looking at downtown Dallas. You can see that blue sky. It's going to warm up, not as much as yesterday. Yesterday we made it to 88 degrees. This time around, 86 degrees, a little bit better, but still technically warmer than what's considered normal this time of the year. Winds will be light out of the southeast. We'll see that sunshine all day. Temperatures are going to be slowly climbing, and it will also be drier. So if you are spending some time outside, something else you need to know about is the pollen count. Ragweed is still considered at a moderate, elm at a moderate count, and fungus at a low count. The reason ragweed is slightly lower today is because we did have a wind shift yesterday, all thanks to that cold front that came through. That cold front responsible for bringing us the drier air that's moving in, which is why the mornings have been feeling a little bit more comfortable. 86 degrees, the high temperature today in Dallas and in Fort Worth, as well as in Denton, about 85 in McKinney. The normal for this time of the year is 82. So we are trending just a few degrees above that. But again, at least it's cooler than yesterday. Here's what's happening. We have this strong ridge of high pressure. Oftentimes you'll hear us call it the heat dome. Well, that's really centered over the desert southwest, but in the days to come, see how it kind of moves over North Texas? That means our temperatures are going to be climbing. Unfortunately, this does mean that any kind of storm tracks will stay to the north. We're not expecting any big changes, but this does keep the nice mornings in place and the warm afternoons as well. But like I said, those temperatures will be climbing. So about 87 degrees on Wednesday, 88 on Thursday. We're talking 90s by the end of the week into this weekend. So if you do have any plans to maybe go to the fair, that's something to consider. Hurricane Milton, again, still a strong Category 4 hurricane. We'll bring you the next update in the next half hour. The 14-day forecast showing little to no rain chances, unfortunately, in the next 2 weeks.